Hi, this is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises. We've been showing you all of the dry rot and structural repair. Pretty much this whole front porch, this whole corner of the building was completely wiped out with dry rot, water damage. We're working our way around the building. We've got leaking sills, all the shear walls rotted here. I had to break out all the stucco, and the actual framing underneath here is completely rotted. This is all, it's toast. Water's been leaking here for years. You can see all the rot that's in the framing. And then if you want to have some real fun, if you come over here, we'll show you this wall, which has major problems. It looks like fire damage, but this is literally the framing of the wall, and literally you can chunk it out in your hand, and the wall studs are completely rotted all the way up. So pretty much what's holding up this wall at this point is the stucco. So what we're going to have to do is build temporary shoring underneath here in order to support the floor, because the ends of the joists are completely rotted out, and of course the siding. And it's just amazing what water damage will do over time. I mean, I'm not going to even shake that out, but it's pretty bad. So look at that. It just literally falls out in your hand. That's all water damage, dry rot, and structural damage. And unfortunately, it's probably been coming from that top wall that never had a cap on it. And the guess is that entire wall is all rotted out. So this is Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises, with another dry rot structural repair job. And we'll keep you posted as we kind of get through this. And we do this type of work, and we're experts in it throughout the San Francisco Bay Area. We handle all the plans, permits, engineering, structural repairs, stucco, waterproofing. It's very hard to find people that really understand all of this and know how to put it all back together again, so you don't have problems. So if you want a great company that knows how to do all of this, give us a call. This is Paul at Golden Gate Enterprises, and you can find us at bayareacontractor.com. Thank you.